Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Here to talk to you today about this 2020 Coachmen Apex 215 RBK. It's a rear bath and kitchen. What we have here is a really nice lightweight trailer, dry weight under 4,500 pounds. It's short, 21 foot and change floor plan, so you can get it into really anywhere. Lightweight, can be towed about pretty much anything, and it actually packs in quite a bit of features for indoor and outdoor use. Really nice rig. As you notice right off the bat, a big front window here. A lot of light gets inside this rig. There's also a really nice division of space here too. Apex, what they really kind of feature in is lightweight, low profile, but they also have really great construction features as well. You have thick walls here, magnetic latches, and this is your big pass-through here right off the front. Aluminum frame and fiberglass siding on this keeps the weight down, and so you can actually pack in a ton of the features and keep it really nice. Slam latches for those gates doors. Plug-in solar on the side, so park in the shade, tether your solar out so it can sunflower in the sun however you need it, and get your batteries, keep them fresh. Big awning on this guy so you can make use of the outdoor space. Plus you have your big outdoor grill station here. A big kind of college fridge here. It's an electric fridge, and your canister Coleman stove. There's plug-ins, there's storage here as well, plus your plumbed sink, which is really nice. So in this 21 foot is where you start to get double axle, which means quite a bit of stability going on the road, which means quite a bit of comfort for your hauling as well. Let's head inside and see what comforts it has too. In something of this length range, it's really nice to see a deep slide out. This is a U-shaped dinette, but it's modular, so you can actually, there's more space from this, from that peg over, from this peg over, so you can actually turn the table around, and the cushions that are down there right now can be turned into a seat, so that can turn into a U-shaped dinette, which is really nice. There's also storage underneath each one of these seats. It goes all the way in, so really deep bin storage too. And you also have this right here. Everything's kind of facing your media center. This TV can spin around, so it can be used in the main room when you're up during the day, and then when you're ready to go to bed at night, just spin it around. You can enter your bedroom here. You can access from both sides of the bed. Really nice storage, hanging storage on either side, as well as a ton of up top storage too. So you make use of a lot of stuff, and you have really great light here, so you can actually do some really nice stargazing as well from your bed and not having to get out into the elements. One of the features I always like to see is something where they've kind of thought about where you would put your garbage. Your little garbage can can fit right in there. Doesn't have to interact with much of the coast, just hits in there. And as well, if you're not using that for your garbage can, kick off your boots, throw them in there, they're out of the way. That's really just really nice placement of that kind of drawer. Double basin sink with a nice kind of counter covers here. Double basin can save you some water, so rinse and dry in one or the other. Really nice hardware for your sink too. Plus you have your flush mount, which folds back into its own backsplash. Super simple, super smart design there. It's really sharp. Your full-size 6 cubic foot fridge, and this all kind of heads back here into your pantry area too. Enormous depth on this, and a lot of space to usable space here, and so you can bring on a lot of stuff. Now with double axles in this length range and this weight range, you actually have a ton of cargo capacity as well. So not only is it 4,500 pounds, but you can actually haul quite a bit more. Like I said, when you have a ton of a linen space up here, just huge, deep, cavernous space, a lot of storage, and you have your solid-sided shower, which I like a lot, so you don't have to kind of be really careful about the curtain kind of clinging to you or where that curtain's going to lay and kick water on the floor. It's going to keep it contained. Functional vanity in here, and medicine cabinet, which is really nice. Plus, like I said, there's still light in this small space. And we're inside, and there's no lights on in the rig, and this is all natural light in here. If you have any questions about this rig or any other rig we have on lot, drop me a line at 773-655-7190, or stop by and say hello. My name is Jake.